Yeah, the celebration is like keep your head up.
Oh.
So it's to a positive message to everyone who's having like a hard time.
Your celebration, everyone wants to know.
Yeah, the celebration is like keep your head up.
Oh.
So it's to a positive message to everyone who's having like a hard time. If it's in football or in life, just keep your head up and keep on working, keep believing in yourself, and even in hard moments. So it's just a positive message for the kids, for everyone, even though the people, it's for everyone.
That's very nice. Tujuan selebrasinya adalah bukan hanya untuk sepak bola ya, ini artinya untuk kehidupan kita juga, dimana kalau kita dalam keadaan yang sulit atau kalau lagi sedih atau tidak bersemangat, ini adalah tandanya untuk kita kepalanya harus tetap tinggi dan tetap harus bangga dan harus tetap semangat, dan itu artinya. Jadi mungkin cocok ya karena di Australia ya awalnya di selebrasi. Terima kasih atas pertanyaan. The first one was for your grandpa. Any particular dedication tonight?
Yeah, I told my mother every goal I make is going to be for my grandmother because she's the reason I'm here. And I know she will be really proud if she could experience all these moments. But I think this goes also for the whole country. It's like the win means so much if you see how the people are cheering, smiling, even crying. So no, it's for the whole country.
Saya Yasir Neneama. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.